Hello, this is question 2A of the 2022-2023 NECO examination. It says the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon is 1440 degrees. Question 1. How many sides has the polygon? 2. Find the size of each exterior angle. Now, for the first question, we were given that the sum of interior angles of the regular polygon is 1440 degrees. And the formula for finding the sum of interior angle reads thus, that is n minus 2 into bracket 180. This gives us the sum of interior angles, and they said it equals 1440 degrees. So from here, we are to solve for the value of n, which is the number of sides. So that is n minus 2 equals 1440 degrees all over 180 degrees. So we now have n minus 2 equals 1440 divided by 114 divided by 18, that gives us 8. So n equals 8 plus 2, so n equals 10. So the sides is 10. Now for the second part, which says find the size of each exterior angle. Now to find the size of each exterior angle, we know that the sum of angle is 360, and it will be 360 divided by the sides, and we've calculated our size to be 10, so that will be 360 degrees divided by 10, and that is 36 degrees. So the size of each exterior angle is 36 degrees. So thank you very much. It is a series. For other solutions within the series, please check my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.